Referee down. Claymore countered into a powerbomb by Priest. Damien Priest in the corner. The referee is down. Grabbed by the throat. South to heaven. Countered. Ducks underneath. Claymore connected by Drew. Into the cover. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Referee running to the ring. 1, 2. It's CM Punk. CM Punk's the referee. No. No. I love you, Punk, but not tonight. Tonight was the night. You don't screw him over. CM Punk is at Clash at the Castle and he screwed over Drew McIntyre. Punk being grabbed by Drew in the corner. CM Punk just hoofed him in the nuts. Low blow to Punk. And rightly so, the crowd in Scotland are going nuts. Guy in the front row, middle finger to Punk. Going nuts at CM Punk. Turns around, Damien Priest, South to heaven, original ref back in the ring. Cover to Drew. Come on, McIntyre, kick out. 2, 3, no! No! The Scottish screw job. Damien Priest has retained. McIntyre loses in Scotland. That is some BS right there. No! For God's sake. There's one guy in the front row going absolutely nuts. And I can't blame him. This was it. This was the moment. And Drew has been screwed. Ladies and gents, I've been Joe from Joe Talks Wrestling. This has been Clash at the Castle. See you in the next one.